Here is how to archive a story on your Instagram without waiting 24 hours. So let's see how. So here in the top of my profile, you can see I have posted a story 8 hours before and another thing 2 hours before. If I tap more here and I don't want to delete this video and now I want to archive this, Instagram has a default that archive can be a story or a you can achieve a story after 24 hours that will be automatically done through Instagram only. So you can't achieve any of your story before 24 hours. So what can you do is that go to your story settings, go to close friends and you can select one person that who is very busy or otherwise your close friend that you can share your story. So tap on them and make sure you switch it to close friends. Likewise, you can hide your story from remaining people, and after 24 hours, it will automatically be archived. Thank you.